Thank you. So I just finished having a nice drink. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to explore this part of Weston Super Mare, and then we can wrap up and then probably do some editing overnight, and then get you the video that you wanted, raw content like always. Yeah, so let's explore Weston Super Mare and then probably wrap up on the promenade, right? Hiya. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to vlog on the high streets of a Weston Super Mare. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to vlog, but you know, I'll try my best to show you this beautiful corner of Weston Super Mare. Right. It's not busy like how it was when I was live. Yeah, so let's just vlog. Beautiful place, isn't it? You have a bank here, and you have an exchange where if you want to buy a phone, if you want to exchange gadgets, you can do so. At the moment it's quite busy, so I just need to make sure I focus on the vlog. I'm in the middle of the Weston Super Mare High Street, I believe. Yeah, and it's pretty amazing actually. This is probably the third time I've been here this year. I did a vlog here before, then I did a live broadcast today, and then I'm back here creating this kind of content. Yeah, I'm just going to pan the camera so that you can probably enjoy this beautiful high street. I'm not sure I can go in there. I'm here to create content outdoor, so I'll focus more on the outdoor. I'm not using any ND filter, and I changed my settings to 5K 30 frames per second. So if you want to know what settings I'm using today, please do type your comment, then I can tell you. I'm using a GoPro 9, and I just have I think the windshield to just improve my audio. So if you want to know what gadgets I'm using, click on the link to purchase the gadgets. When you purchase the gadgets, you're actually supporting me. So yeah, hi guys. Thank you, man. All right, so what I'm going to do now, because I've already vlogged here, I'll pause the camera and then I'll continue from the promenade. All right, so see you on the flip side. So I just got to the promenade. It's really windy. I need to make sure I hold my hat, my baseball hats very strong. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to vlog on the promenade at this side actually. Yeah, so I'm going to pan the camera so that you guys can enjoy the view. And if you're watching, whatever you're watching from, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching from the UK, if you've been to Weston before, please do let me know. If you've been here during the pandemic, please do let me know as well. And if you're already here, if you're watching right now, please do let me know as well. Right, so I'm going to pan the camera so I can show you the other corners of Weston Super Mare, because you know, I'm trying to protect my hat because it's very windy. So that's why I keep holding my hat. Yeah, it's a very expensive hat. I don't want to lose it, so that's why you see me holding it. Yeah, all right. This wind is very strong, so I need to make sure I keep hold of my hat so that I don't lose this hat. Yeah, so I'm in Weston Super Mare right now, and let I'm just on the promenade actually, you know, trying to find somewhere where I can get a drink. Because it's nice, sometimes when you're vlogging, it's good to take time. Hiya. You having a nice day? Yeah? Are you local? Have a nice day. Alright. Yeah, they don't want to be on cam. That's alright. Yeah. You know, I always tell you, you know, when they acknowledge, you just have to acknowledge them. You know, if they want to be on cam, they'll invite you to talk to them, you know. You don't have to force people if they don't want to be on cam. Right. I have about 30 minutes to finish this vlog, and then we can wrap up and do a lot of editing. Yeah, so I'm going to cross the road now, then so that we can vlog from the other side of the promenade. And then when I get to the other side, I'll cross the road again, and we can vlog again, all right? Busy. This is my third content, you know. This is my third content of the day. I did a walking video, and I did what else did I did? I did a live broadcast, and I did other content. So it's pretty amazing, you know. I'm having a nice day so far. I'm off, so I don't need to worry about getting to work. So it's pretty amazing. I'm just having a nice time. Having a nice day? Yeah. Yeah. Right. So this is where, if you want to grab a drink, grab a fish and chips, some yummy delicious food, you know, look, there's tons of bars around here. You know, if you watch my previous videos, I've sat down there, have a drink with Colin, another YouTuber I met while I was doing the content here. Yeah, it's a pretty amazing place actually. You know, I love vlogging from Weston Super Mare because people are so nice. People are so nice. So, you know, I do like coming here because, you know, it's about 1 hour bus ride from me and about 30 minutes drive from me. Yeah, so I do love to come here whenever I have a chance, you know. I do, because probably about more than 1 million people come to Weston Super Mare a lot, so you can imagine how many people who want to see how Weston Super Mare look like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pan the camera so that you can see the view. At the moment it's dry, but you still be able to enjoy this beautiful view. Let's continue this vlog. You know, I have a windshield on, so it's really windy. I don't know if you can hear me. Actually, it's windy. You know, look, my hat's nearly blown off because it's really windy. So I just have to make sure I protect my heart, and at the same time give you guys the view you wanted. You know, Weston Super Mare, you know, it's a beach town, sea town, located in North Somerset. It's in the town of Somerset, in the county of North Somerset. So if you want to know where Weston Super Mare is located, it's in North Somerset of the country. Yeah, North Somerset is a county, so like a district in other countries. So it's a county. Yeah, that's where Weston Super Mare is located. I don't know if you can see me because the exposure or the focus got lost because of the sunshine, right? Hi. I'm vlogging, man. I'm vlogging YouTube. I'm doing a content for a YouTube channel called Ghana Friendship. How you guys doing, man? You having a nice day?
Yeah, bro.
What are you guys doing today? Just chilling?
Just chilling. Right,
yeah? What's your name?
Kenzo.
Kenzo, and you?
Errol, bro.
Errol. Do you watch YouTube sometime? Yeah, so guys, look, if you watch these guys, tell them I said love. Look, I'm just creating a content today, man. That's so nice, guy. You guys to recognize me, because you know when people talk to you, you have to stop to talk to them. So I'm so pleased, man. Do you guys want to follow me or subscribe to my channel? Yeah, man. This is my channel.
What's your channel?
This is Ghana Friendship. I'm growing about 1,000 something subscribers so far. Yeah, this one. Ghana Friendship, man. Thank you, man. I'll make sure your videos probably, you know what? Can I make you guys the thumbnail for my video? Yeah, you sure? This will be the thumbnail.
Soon.
Huh?
We're starting YouTube soon.
Oh, that would be amazing. I want like travel or what you guys? Everything. Exactly, that's what I do. I don't really have I just do everything.
Where you from, bro?
I'm from Ghana originally, but I live in Bristol. Oh. Yeah, you guys local? Yeah. Oh, thank you, man. So what I'll do is I'll take a selfie, then we can make a thumbnail, man.
Oh yeah.
Is alright? Yeah. Right, so guys, I'm going to use this picture as a thumbnail for my Western vlog. So look, 1, 2, 3, boom. Another one. Another one. Nice one. This is going to my thumbnail tomorrow, man. Thank you very much, man. Cheers, man. Cheers. Right. Peace. Oh my God, that was so nice. Kenzo, man. Peace, man. Love from me, man. Yeah. They subscribe to my channel. I'm going to use them as my thumbnail for my video. So if you've seen these guys in West End, please show my love to them, man. Really appreciate them. Amazing, man. What I'm going to do now is I'll wrap up, and then I'm going to sit there, pavilion, to grab myself a drink, then wrap it up. Thank you for it. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure showing you Weston Super Mare today. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Peace. Ghana Friendship. Make sure you subscribe though. Thank you very much. Thank you.